across England, Wales and Scotland, but also a huge warning of caution from the Prime Minister. We're live across the UK for the latest stage of lockdown easing. Plus reports that COVID vaccines have been made available to all ages in parts of northwest England with the high levels of the Indian variant. We'll talk to the Business Secretary in just a moment. And also for you this morning, should we vaccinate the world's poorest first? That's the idea being proposed by the former Prime Minister Tony Blair. He'll be with us in the next hour. And embracing the changes, we'll talk to grandmother of 5 and loneliness campaigner Dame Esther Ransom, who's looking forward to cuddling her loved ones. It's Monday, the 17th of May.
The first gig of 2021, the doors are open, so come on in.
A heavy dose of caution, the PM's warning as hospitality venues reopen amid concerns about the Indian variant.
There's a magic that happens when an audience come together and everybody melts away and suddenly you're one laugh.
Cleared for takeoff, the latest stage of lockdown easing sees a ban on foreign holidays lifted, but travel limited to a handful of destinations. Setting sail, we're at Southampton docks as the UK cruise industry comes out of lockdown. A hotspot for the Indian variant. Mass vaccinations continue in Bolton, with reports that jabs have been given to teenagers against government advice. No let-up in the conflict. Israel launches airstrikes on Gaza City following rocket attacks by Palestinian militants overnight.
The Princess planted a young oak tree specially flown to Canada from Windsor Park.
And putting down roots, the royal family asked people to plant trees to prepare for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee.
And no prizes for guessing today's weather. It's going to be sunshine and showers again, but there is a bit of a surprise coming at the end of the week. Will it be good